If you have a house in Bexley, Ohio that you're looking to sell, but you're not looking to pay any real estate agent fees or commissions, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Bexley, Ohio as a direct buyer with no realtors involved, so there are no fees or commissions. So before I get into why so many sellers in Bexley prefer to work with us as a direct buyer and not pay any realtor fees or commissions, let me just first clear the air and let you know we're not against real estate agents and brokers. They do a great job. In fact, we as a company, we still do business with a lot of different real estate agents because for some sellers, that is the best option for you. We're going to explore this together in this video, but they do a great job. So this is not an us versus them type of scenario. It just comes down to the situation. And the three biggest factors to consider when are you best for a real estate agent or are you best for a direct buyer like us? It really comes down to your time frame on when you're wanting to close, it comes down to the condition and repairs needed on the property, and it comes down to just your personal privacy and your preference at the end of the day. So first and foremost, since we're a cash buyer, we can close on the timeline that you choose, on the date of your choice. So if you have some type of situation or some kind of timeline that you need to hit, maybe there's a court involved, maybe it's an inherited property, maybe there's probate attorneys, or maybe there's a divorce, or maybe you've already bought a new house and now you're selling the house in Bexley and you need it to close on a certain date. If time is a factor, you might consider selling to a direct buyer like us, because with us, you could close on the date of your choice. If time doesn't matter, you got all the time in the world, a realtor or a real estate agent is going to do a great job for you because they're going to find a buyer. And oftentimes this buyer is going to pay a great price for your house, but you're closing on their schedule. You're closing on their timeline, not necessarily your timeline. The second one is a biggie, and it's the repairs for the property. And if your house needs work, or if you have zero desire to fix the house, or you don't have the money to put into it, and maybe you just don't want to, you don't want to do anything to the house, we're going to be a good fit for you because we're an as-is buyer. So what that means is when we buy your house as a direct buyer, there's no repairs you need to do. You don't need to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. You don't got to go to the Home Depot. You don't got to hire a handyman. You don't got to give us credits or anything like that. And you don't need to haul anything away. So you can take with you anything you want out of the house, anything you don't want or don't need, you just can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. So this is a true as-is buyer here. If you got work needed on the property, there's repairs needed, you don't want to do them, we're a good fit for you. Now, if the house is in tip-top, beautiful shape, you might consider working with a real estate agent because they're going to find a buyer who can envision themselves living there. Or maybe the house is vacant, but it's in tip-top shape, beautiful house. Maybe they can help you get this thing staged. Maybe they're going to have open houses over there and really showcase this thing, get professional pictures done, and maybe even put it on the internet and get a bunch of interest in the property, and maybe even get a bidding war for your property. If it's in beautiful condition, or maybe you have money to fix up the property, so you're willing to accommodate the buyer's needs, and they want new gutters, and you say no problem, and you can do that. And if maybe you have a handy background, maybe you're a contractor, right, and you can do all this work and stuff, maybe working with a real estate agent in that scenario is going to be your best bet. But if you don't want to do any work and you want to sell as is, we're going to be a good fit for you in that situation. And then finally, it's just personal preference and privacy. What that means is I talk to sellers all the time who just don't want people walking through the house. They don't want 100 different people, buyers looking at this thing. They don't want open houses. They don't want foot traffic. They don't want to deal with anything like that. They just want to sell to a direct buyer. All we need to do is see the house one time. Sometimes we don't even need to see the house. You can send in pictures and we can kind of get this thing going. So if you don't want a lot of people trekking through the house, we're probably going to be a better fit for you. If you don't care and you do want the people trekking through your house, you want the attention. If you want as much activity on this thing as you possibly can get, and you want open houses and you want inspections and you're so proud of this property, you want multiple buyers looking at it, if that's your situation, then working with a real estate agent absolutely is going to be the best bet for you. So it really comes down to your situation at the end of the day. And if you have a house in Bexley and you're looking for the easy button, or you're looking for the convenient button where you can sell the house as is, close on the date of your choice, and you don't have to do any work or anything like that, very easy, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline on when you're looking to close. And it's an easy conversation. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on your house in Bexley. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. We're not going to apply pressure, sales tactics, gimmicks. We're going to treat you like a neighbor. That's exactly what we are. We're here in Columbus, been around for over 14 years, and we have hundreds of great reviews and testimonials and references that we can share with you. So we're going to create a good experience. And if we determine we're not a good fit for you, we might actually refer you to a real estate agent if that's going to suit your needs best. It comes down to what your needs are, and we're here to accommodate your needs if it makes sense to work together. So if you have a house in Bexley, you're looking to sell as is, you want to close with a fast or a flexible closing, and you don't want to pay any fees or commissions, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.